Hello guys, today I will show you how to program in Schneider PLC, and I will tell you about NO contact, NC contact, timer, counter. So let's start. Now I am opening EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic software, which is for PLC programming of the Schneider PLC. Okay, let's opening this. It will take some time. Click here, inactive, click here, apply, go. In configuration section, I have to select the PLC type. Whatever you have available or not available, you can select according to your facility. Okay, I have selected this PLC TM200 40R. Now come into the programming system. First of all, I have to check how to take the NO contact. Okay, you can see in a toolbar NO contact is available. You can double click here and drop and down, click here. Okay, and if you want to take the output section, you can say take the various type of output here. Okay, and is like coil, normally coil, and negated coil, and set coil, reset coil, and this is the graphite step activation. Okay, first of all I am taking simple. Okay, checking normal coil, click here, drop and down. You can name here. Okay, you can name here. I am taking when I will start the M5, then coil should be on. Coil is Q0.0. Okay, if you want to take the name of the memory bit, you can click here, symbol. Okay, and type here start button. Click enter and yes. If you want to comment also big comment in the program, so you can click here, type here summarize, THIS, this program is for DG start B. This program is for DG start program. Okay, you can also send here, put here name DG start CMD command. Click enter, yes. Now if you want to take the timer, click here new 8 rung, new rung 8. Okay, now I'm taking timer. Click here, take button, memory width I0.0, input 1, and timer. Click here the function block. Okay, you can here take the timer, counter, all everything is available here. For so many functions are available here. I'm taking only timer. Timer is here two type. Okay, T on timer and T off timer. T on timer means when the input will become, how much time, after how much time you want to turn on the output. Okay, I'm taking simply 10 second, 20, 50 second. Okay, 50 second in minutes. Okay, format is minute or second or millisecond. You can choose whatever. I'm taking second base. Okay, if you want to take retentive timer, you can check here. If you want to not retentive, you can check here. Okay, now you want to on, if you want to on, turn on any output Q0.1. If you want to take the turn off timer, you can choose. Once I will tell you later. First of all, checking T on timer. Okay, T on timer is Q0.1. Okay, if you want, now coming in commissioning session, click launch simulator. Start. Controller has been started. Now come to the programming section. See here, if I will start button, the DG will be start command. I have started command. I will come here, DG start. If I will stop, the DG will be stop. Okay, and for the timer, if you want to turn on this timer, you have to in field and no context should be on. Okay, as I have in simulation condition, so I am turn on I0. Okay, click OK. Turn on, timer is started, count is timer started. After 50 seconds, T on will be on. Q should be on. Q0.1. Button should be work as separate because I have not interlinking in two program together to run together. Okay, after 35 seconds, 36 seconds, and 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 50 on. Okay, if I will off, it will not off. Okay, or off. Okay, you can, this is the force on off. Okay, this is the force on off. If you want to normally on, you have to take here, click for on. Okay, and if you want to T off timer, you can check here also Q. I am changing in run online program. Okay, Q0.0. When DC will start, then immediately click on the stop mode and now change here. Simulator is off. Now I am taking this timer. Click new project, new rung, take M0.0. When DC will start, I have taken off timer. After that, for few seconds, water Q0.2. Water on CMD. Water on command will come. After 5 seconds, automatically water will be off. After 5 seconds, automatically water will be off. Now I am going to commissioning and click run, launch the simulator and start the program. When the start button will click here, after 5 seconds, 1 second, this timer is T on. Okay, I am taking T off time. Click here. Click start. When we start the button, push button, DC start, immediately footer will be on. Okay, after 5 seconds, automatically it will be off. If off, 1 second. If DC off, now DC will be off. After 5 seconds, will be footer automatically off. Okay, and if you want to pulse only, take the pulse. Positive pulse, you can take the positive pulse. M5 and also M5 tech. Shift percentage M5 also, because both are immediately is on. So now you can set click on the M0 and start off. Footer will be off after 5 seconds. Okay. You can take here also positive edge as you want. Click send in the PLC, and now click here on. It immediately on if DG is on, but after 5 seconds footer will be automatically off. This is the simple program for learning purpose. If you want to learn about the PLC and PLC system, industrial automation system, then you have to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon according to you. Okay, thank you guys.